My presentation name is Information and Document Management and Cooperation Studies of Trakya University for the Balkan countries, the model of Balkan Libraries Union. This is my presentation plan. Introduction, foundation and development of Trakya University, activities of Trakya University for the Balkan countries, activities of the Library and Documentation Department for the Balkan countries, Balkan Libraries Union, and contribution. Why the institutions of organization render service firstly to the communities of their region and secondly to those of their own countries in line with their objectives. They also contribute to the cultural, educational, economic and similar goals. In this context, when the institutions establish their strategies to conduct their activities, they should not disregard geographical and political status of the region and determine their own mission and vision accordingly. Edirne, the only city of Turkey opening to Europe via Balkans with its 5 border gates, is one of the important cultural cities of the region by hosting several civilizations in its history. Trakya University, founded in such a city of remarkable social, political, and cultural characteristics like Edirne, has many new contributions to the education, cultural, and social life of the region from its foundation to date. Took steps into academic educational life in the 1982 as regional university. Geographical position as well as region. in accordance with Trakya University's mission of Balkans. As a result of this, the effort of Professor Dr. Enver Duran, the rector of Trakya University, on the collaboration among Balkan universities has been going on with the cooperation of Süleyman Demirel University Rectorate. Along with the concept of information society appearing in the 21st century, the winds of change brought by the globalizations have further accelerated the cross-border studies. In this respect, cross-border sharing of the general information is moved to the interactive media by means of the information technologies and the projects stored and offered to the user of the information became possible without any border restrictions. As a result, the cooperation studies in the cross-border scientific field also interesting and start to develop. In this very point, Trakya University Librarianship and Documentation Department has transferred to the digital media and offering to the use of the researchers the following database it has downloaded in the web format. Trakya University Scientific Publication Database, Trakya University Open Access Information Sources Database, Edirne Bibliography Database, Edirne City History Chronology Database, Trakya University Cultural Events Database. In this context, in line with the mission and vision undertaken by Trakya University, requirement of making various studies in the librarianship and information scientific areas appear and Trakya University Librarianship and Documentation Department. Based on this requirement, start to take place in the national and international projects of scientific studies. One of them is the Symposium Our University Libraries in the 21st Century International Organization between 2030 and 2040 October 1998. Another one is the International Symposium Information Document Management and Cooperation among the Libraries of the Balkan countries and between 5th and 7th June 2008. As another study in the fields of information studies, a symposium Edirne in the archive sources of the Balkan countries, to be hosted by Trakya University shall be organized in the Trakya University between 21st and 23rd October 2010 in cooperation with the Balkan Libraries Union. Balkan Libraries Union. Under the first item of the final declaration delivered at the end of the evaluation of Symposium of Information Documentation Management and Cooperation among the Libraries of the Balkan countries at the 7th June 2008, the foundation of Balkan Libraries Union was established as a target. While Library and Documentation Department, Trakya University has with the target conduct cooperation with the libraries in the Balkan countries. It also started effort to establish working principles of the Balkan Libraries Union. As a result of studies, the principles were made written. The abbreviation of the Balkan Libraries Union is BLU. The following institutions may become members of the Balkan Libraries Union: national libraries, university libraries, institutional libraries, public libraries, national archives, information and document center department, center archive departments of the universities, professional non-government organization dealing with librarianship and or information documentation management and communication, as well as the institution providing service and facilities to the libraries. The member institutions of the Union has three important objectives: to provide cooperation colleagues from different Balkan countries, to hold scientific, cultural and social activities, to create common database and have open archives. The logo should include symbols of bridge, olive branch and beechen. And thus the bridge symbolizes cooperation, olive branch the wisdom and beechen the peace. Balkan Libraries Union website of the screen. If you want to be a member of our union, you need to fill in membership forms on the web page so we can register your membership. Conclusion. The process from now on shall but be easier and harder. You know a baby is born, but it should thrive, walk, grow up and develop. Development and growth of the union is possible only through projects to be produced in line with the foundation objectives. In order to achieve it, I hereby invite all institutions and organizations operating in the field of information and document management, especially in Bulgaria and the other Balkan countries, to become a member and produce and implement projects under the roof of the Balkan Libraries Union. I hope to see all in the coming conference. Thank you very much.